Hi guys, in this video I'll be making vegan Greek yogurt. Now I've made a vegan yogurt video in the past, but I'm going to change a few things up with this video. I found this really neat Greek yogurt maker online. I'm going to give it a try. It was a little pricey, but I'm going to find out whether it makes a difference in the final outcome. In the past I used a colander lined with cheesecloth that worked pretty well, but I want to give this a try and see if it's worth the $49.99 price tag. I also am going to change things up a bit with the yogurt culture. I used probiotic capsules before, and while I was shopping online, I found this vegan yogurt culture. So I want to see if this is any better than using the probiotic capsules. So at the end of the video, I'll post a chart comparing making your own homemade vegan Greek yogurt versus buying vegan Greek yogurt in the store, if you can find it. That's been an issue for me. So I'm hoping that this works out and that it turns out to be economical too. What you'll need is an Instant Pot, some soy milk. Make sure that your soy milk only has 2 ingredients, soybeans and water. Some soy milk brands have additives that will make your yogurt not turn out. For this recipe, I'm going to pour my soy milk directly into the Instant Pot. I have made sure that my Instant Pot liner is really clean. I ran it through a very hot cycle on my dishwasher and have just put it in here straight from the dishwasher. So what you'll do is pour your soy milk into your container, and you'll add 1 packet from this package of starter culture. 1 packet is good for 2 quarts of soy milk. Now I'm not going to use my Instant Pot lid because this doesn't need to have a seal. I'm just going to use this clear lid that I have from one of my other pots. Just set your Instant Pot to the yogurt function for 12 hours. Guys, so it's been about 12 hours. I am going to take the yogurt out of the Instant Pot. So I'm going to let this rest on the countertop while I take my doggos for a walk, and then I'll put it in the refrigerator. I'll let it sit in the refrigerator for probably 10 to 12 hours or so before I strain it. All right, guys, good luck. Good luck. So my yogurt's been in the refrigerator for just about 10 hours now. And you can see that it is quite thick already. I'm going to get a spoon and taste this and test it myself before we put it in the strainer. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is a really nice yogurt. It's very tangy. It's really good. So we're going to put the yogurt into this strainer. You can see the thickness of it right here. I mean, this is really a great looking yogurt, even before it's been strained into the Greek yogurt. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, and I'll check it in the morning and see how much of the whey has come through and how much longer I want to leave it strain, or whether I'll be happy with it in the morning. I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons worth, and I'm going to put it in a jar. Saving about 2 tablespoons of your yogurt to use as a culture for your next batch is a really economical way to make more yogurt. Okay guys, I am super excited to check out the Greek yogurt. Look at all the liquid that has drained from the yogurt here. Let's see what it looks like. It's been about 12 or 14 hours since I put it in the refrigerator. Scoop it out. Okay, pretty thick. Yeah, I'd say pretty Greek yogurt texture. All right, so here's all the liquid that drained out. I thought I would do a little experiment and weigh how much whey came out of the yogurt so that I could see. I'm going to try to do some math to figure out how much it actually costs to make your own Greek yogurt at home. All right, 18.9 ounces. So, well, I guess I should do a taste test too of the Greek yogurt. I mean, it's really nice and thick, not dripping. It's so good, guys. It really, really is. I'm not just saying that. So I'll be sure to put links for these, for this strainer and for the yogurt culture in the description box below for you. I do get a small commission, I guess, for anybody that orders any of the stuff. But let me tell you, for as long as I've had a YouTube channel and as many products that I might try to share with you guys just for convenience, because it's definitely not for money. I think I've earned 7 cents. So I'm really not trying to, push a particular product or try to make money off of this stuff. I'm just trying to make it easier for you guys to find the products that I've found and enjoy and at work, and I want to share with you. So let me check back in with you once I figure out all the math, and I'm going to go ahead and try to make another batch of yogurt using 2 tablespoons of this yogurt as my culture and see if it works just as well as one of the little packets does. Okay guys, so I just took the yogurt that I made using the 2 tablespoons of yogurt as my culture to see how it worked. I'm super excited to show you that using the 2 tablespoons saved from one of your batches works just as well, I'd say, as the yogurt starter culture. Let me taste it and see if it tastes any different. It doesn't taste any different, guys. I'm really surprised. So think of the money you can save just by setting aside 2 tablespoons or so of your yogurt as your culture for your next batch. Okay, so here's your cost breakdown for the homemade vegan Greek yogurt. One batch will cost about $8.25 to make. If you take the soy milk carton, 64 ounces for $5, and add in the $3.25 packet of the vegan yogurt starter, you wind up paying $8.25 per batch. Your batch will yield about 45 ounces of the Greek yogurt. Now, if I compare that to Kite Hill's brand of vegan Greek yogurt, that cost is $5.79 per 16 ounces. That comes out to 36 cents per ounce. So right off the bat, the homemade yogurt is half the cost of what you could buy in the store. Now, we do have to figure in the cost of the strainer, which was $49.99, kind of expensive, but I did a little more math and figured out that it will pay for itself after your 6th batch. Okay guys, so I would call this a success. If you're interested in ordering either of these products, I'll make sure to put a link in the description box below. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those for me as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.